Hi guys, in my last video I introduced you to Audaces 360. I told you what Audaces 360 can do. I talked about all the softwares and what it can do for you as a fashion designer, as a pattern drafter, as somebody that owns a fashion business. Audaces has everything you need, starting from designing up to pattern drafting, up to business processes, up to sales, up to an e-commerce store, everything that has to do with fashion and patterns. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Audaces Fashion Studio. This is one of the softwares Audaces 360 has. And right now, as I'm talking to you, Audaces Fashion Studio is free. So for those of you that are being intimidated by Clo 3D or Marvelous Design or Browseware, this is an opportunity for you to learn how to create 3D fashion designs completely free. So let me show you how you can download this, and then probably in my next video I'm going to show you how to start creating your 3D fashion styles using Audaces Fashion Studio. I show you how to download Audaces Fashion Studio. I just want to let you know that what I'm going to show you, I actually followed it step by step to be able to download the Audaces Fashion Studio on my computer. I got their video on YouTube. That's the video. And that's what I'm going to take you through step by step. So you can also follow it and download it. That is the video I followed to be able to download it. This is my computer. That is the Audaces Fashion Studio. And that is the Audaces Go. So in the next segment of this video, you're going to be downloading these two softwares on your computer. And then we'll continue from there. Welcome to Audaces Fashion Studio installation tutorial. And in this video, you're going to learn step by step how to download and install the software on your computer. So first go to audacesfashionstudio.com and then scroll down, and then you're going to see all the configurations that you need on your computer. Then you're now going to click on free download, write down your name and of course your last name, select your occupation, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on send. Then you'll be guided to a thank you page. And then you have to go back to the email that you used, check your email box, and look at this Audaces ID. Your Audaces ID account is ready. You click on it, and then you create a password, repeat the password, and then click on download now and start downloading the installer. Once the download is finished, you can go to your downloads and click on the launcher, click the language, click OK, click next, make sure to read it, click on next, next, and then click on install. Accept the terms and agreement again, and then you click on next, next, and then install. Then you're finished. So make sure to uncheck the box that says Launch Audaces Fashion Studio. Then click on Finish. And there you have the Audaces Fashion Studio and Audaces Cloud, Audaces Go. So click on Audaces Go, click on Advanced, and then put in the email you used before, and then put in your password. So go on licensing, click on restart. So all set. Now you can click on OK, and then you're ready to launch the Audaces Fashion Studio icon on your workspace. And when you do that, this is what you have. So you have Audaces Fashion Studio. Now, if you want to have the runway, you need to also download that as a plugin. So click on that as you're seeing it on my computer. Select your language, click OK, click Next, accept the agreement, click Next, Next, and then install. It takes a little while to install, but once it is done, it's all finished and all set. Now you can close the pop-up, and once you click on Open to Runway, this is what you see. So you're able to see all your creations rendered on a digital runway. So you're now all set to start creating limitless creations on Odasis Fashion Studio. Once now you've downloaded your Odasis Fashion Studio and your Odasis Go. So first thing, you click on the Odasis Fashion Studio, and this is what it opens to. The very first thing I might want you to do is to go to this knowledge base, because here you're going to get all information you need on how to use Audaces Fashion Studio to create 3D fashion styles. But the very first thing you need to do when you get to this section is to scroll down, go here and change the language to English. Because once you open it the first time, it's going to be in either of these languages, particularly in Italian language. But if you're watching and you're an Italian and you would like to listen to it in your language, you can go ahead and listen to it. Yeah. It's just an information to let you know that if you don't change it, most of the videos and whatever you're going to be watching is going to be in these other languages. But for me, I want to listen to it in English. That is why I now changed it to English. So everything I'm going to be watching here is going to be in English. The second information is that for you to use Audaces Fashion Studio, you need to have a mouse. So if you're using a computer, try and attach a mouse to it. And then when you come here and you've done those things, the very first thing you need to watch is this video here, Audaces Fashion Studio, First Steps in the System. Because it shows you everything that has to do with Audaces. And then this particular one, knowing the Audaces Fashion Studio. So these two videos, you need to watch them at least 2, 3, 4 times before you say you're ready to go and start watching any other thing. Knowing this and this, before you come to this one, creating with Audaces Fashion Studio, it will be simpler for you to follow it step by step. But in my next videos, I'm going to actually show you and talk about the menus in the Audaces Fashion Studio, because most of their videos are rather fast. For somebody that is learning, it might not be too easy to get it fast. So I'll take my time and do short videos on those menus so that you know what to use it for, and so on and so forth. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will go ahead and download Audaces Fashion Studio and the Audaces Go, especially now that it is still free. Thank you for watching. Till next time, in my next video. As I said, in my next video, I'm going to take you through step by step so that you get to know every single menu in the Audaces fashion system before we actually start using it to create our 3D fashion designs. Till next time.